Hello, this is the part 3 of Qlik Sense for beginners. In the previous two sessions, I have created a simple Qlik Sense. Add a filter pen, add the thumbnail to the sheet, a KPI, a bar chart, and a pie chart. Today, I'm going to add another bar chart vertically. Get back to the edit mode. Drag the bar chart to the lower right corner, and I'm going to add the dimension, the product group, and add the measure, which is the gross sales, and then change the appearance, the presentation to be the vertical. Now, adding some more dimension, subgroup, type, product description, customer, region, city, sales rep. So here we can see, if we look at the product group, the produce has the most sales. Switching to customer, we can see the page width. This customer has the highest sales volume. And we can also navigate to different countries, for instance, using Japan. Switch to product. Here shows for Japan, meat sells the best, and then followed by vegetable, dairy, beer, and wine. Coming back to the sales rep, overall we can see Judy, followed by Sure, Lee, and there's lots of information we can pick up from this couple sheet, and it's very handy for the management team to identify some potentials, opportunities, and then set up some KPI. I hope this small tip is useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.